Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Bangladesh, our rice field. The guys are harvesting the rice. As you can see here, it's manually harvesting them, so we don't have the machines that usually does it. It's really nice, especially this time of the year, to visit Bangladesh. It can be cold in the morning and evening, but daytime when the sun is out, it's quite nice and warm. Everywhere you look, it's just basically colorful. No water, so you can walk around and enjoy the view. It's a lovely time to go there or visit Bangladesh if anyone thinking of visiting Bangladesh. Village life is totally different to the town or the city life. As you can see, it's open everywhere and it looks nice and clean, fresh, trees everywhere. So yeah, I would recommend to visit Bangladesh at this time of the year, which is from November to March is the best time to go there. So this is my village, which is in Sylhet border. My dad is in Bangladesh now. Actually, he's the one who sent me these videos. I've got a few more. There's some of him cooking, so I'm looking forward to posting those, and also some clips of our house in Bangladesh. So enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, and I'll post more. So please guys, if you're enjoying my videos, like and subscribe. I'll post more. As I'm a beginner, I'm still learning, so yeah. See you soon on a different video. Bye now.
সাজু ভাই